Hi, welcome to Codewars. In this series, I'm gonna solve TDD's katas using JavaScript. I'm Anatol, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here, start now by subscribing. Let's solve today kata titled DNA to RNA Conversion. I need to create a function which translates a given DNA string into RNA. In RNA, the main is replaced by another nucleus, acid uracil U. Good. So I need to replace only one letter in this string. Good. Let's do that. Return and DNA replace T to U. Let's check. Now it's not enough. I replace only one element and don't replace all other elements. So I need to use a regular expression for that. I check for all elements globally and replace it. Let's try. Yes, now that's correct. And also let's use an array function for that. It will be even a shorter solution. And then return and replace a string. Let's check. Yes, good, it works. I like it. My code is available on GitHub. Documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.